Chainsaw fighting out of Waynesboro. Want to give a huge shout out to Juicebox for being my corner man, and another huge shout out to Jesus Christ for being my Lord and personal Savior.
JJ coming out of Baltimore, Maryland, here to fight and have a good time. Streetbeefs. You see it, Johnny Apple CBD, today's sponsor. Go to the website, promo code BEEF for a 25% discount. Also, shout out to Lamosny Creatives. Go to the website, Lamosny Creatives. They do all sorts of creative stuff, painting, structural work, etc. Go look them up. Thanks for the work you're doing. In this corner, we got Chainsaw. He's 0-0 in Satan's backyard. And in this corner, we got JJ. He's also 0-0 in Satan's backyard. Be safe, fellas. Fight on.
Fighters, come in. You don't understand the rules? You don't understand the rules? All right. Touch gloves. Let's get this one. Back out. You ready?
Let's go, Mike.
You ready? Let's fight!
Ain't no thing, baby. Let's do this.
Yeah, ain't no thing but a chicken wing. Keep working. Don't. Yep. That's right. That's a little better. Stay outside.
Don't get in the slugfest.
Yep, stay outside. Keep circling. Hands up.
Yep, exactly. Keep them hands high.
Go to the body. That's
There
right.
you go.
Yeah.
Like that jab.
Oh,
There you go.
yeah. Flip him with that too. Keep on the
All
outside.
right, start jabbing. There you go.
1 minute.
Don't hit me behind his head, Lord.
1 minute, guys.
Duck down into that.
There you go.
There you go. All right,
That's
there you
right.
go. All right, back up. Start jabbing.
Bring it to him. Bring it to him.
Hey, don't bring it back anymore.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
He said he's
Nice
done.
job, baby.
He's done.
Good effort. Good effort, baby.
Winner. Good fight, guys.
Yeah.
Damn good fight. And we leave it. Agreed?
Any coward can pull a trigger, but it take a real man to look another man in the eyes, punch him right in the face. 5-star wolf pack. Step in the cage and I'm giving out work. Satan's backyard, you ain't trying to get hurt. I'ma bring the pain, you gon' get it to work.